Hello, wonderful people of internet. It's me. It's Honorable. In this video, I want to talk about how to compile Node.js source code, how to compile Node core itself. But first of all, I want to say three things. The first one is thank you so much, Node source, for letting me to work in this kind of content for the community. You know, getting more people involved on the Node.js project, and I want to make you an invitation to try nsolid. Nsolid is a very powerful alternative to Node.js with very incredible tools such as CPU profiling and heap snapshots for finding those nasty performance issues and stuff. So give a try to nsolid. You can check that out on link that I'm going to leave in the video information section. I don't know. So the other thing is that you are a newbie. You don't have to rush or even force yourself to understand this. This is very complex, to be honest, or could be very complex for you. I mean, there's a lot of parts that I don't understand of the building process of the Node core itself, but I'm used to it because I've been doing this every single day for a very long time. I'm a Node.js collaborator, so I actually spent a lot of time building Node core and all that kind of stuff. So don't worry, if you are new, you don't have to worry if you do not understand something here. You can, write me an email or leave me a DM on Twitter if you need some help. So don't worry. And also, this is my first time doing this kind of videos, so I could be doing something really wrong. So yes. A quick announce. If the video is too long for you, I leave too long to read or too long to be, in this case, a section in the description below. So read that and that's it for you. So I'm here at my local Node.js copy. Thank you so much for the building working group and the rest of collaborators and contributors helping with making this more easier. I mean, compiling Node is relatively easy. So you're gonna be surprised, but compiling Node is not very complex. So first of all, what we are going to do is, assign a terminal in your local copy, blah blah blah, and we are going to do is run our configure script. Configure. That's it. And the thing is, this is going to configure the building tools for compiling the C++ and the JavaScript objects and compiling BA, libv, and linking, all that kind of stuff. So after this finish, the only thing that you gotta do is run make-j, and the number after j is the parallel jobs that you want to make for this compiling process. The thing is, when you put a huge number, this will make building process more faster. Or if you put a very small number, that this is going to be very slow compiling time. So I'm gonna put 12 right here. This also depends on your machine resources. I want to make a little bit of clarification here, and compiling Node, it's very slow. So you gotta be patient. You're going to see, your compiler logs for around 1 hour or something like that. It's very slow process. So don't worry if it takes too long. It is compiling. Don't worry. Don't stop it. It is normal to take a lot of time. So yes. So recap. The thing that you're gonna do is, first of all, configure your building tools running the configure script. I'm gonna do that again. configure. So this is going to configure, well, as I mentioned, the compiler, the linker, all that kind of stuff, the dependencies of nodes such as libv, v8, LL-HTTP, acorn, I don't know, all that kind of stuff. So after that, after the built-in tools are configured, the thing that you're going to do is run make j on my case 12. It could be 4, 6, whatever you want to put. And again, this is very slow, so don't worry. You gotta be patient. That's the next step. Be patient. So yes, there it is. It's compiling. You're going to see this log for a lot of times. Don't worry, this is, as I mentioned, a very slow process. Well, if you see this log, this means that you have compiled successfully Node.js project. So congratulations, which is really great. This is the first step that every single people involved on the Node.js project has made. So again, congrats to yourself. You have done something very important on the Node.js development process. So feel happy for it. I mean, this is my first step, and I was jumping on happiness. Okay, now the thing is compiled. How do we run it? Oh, it's very simple. It let us a node executable linked. You can run it by putting the /node, and that's it. As you can see, this is the version 16 pre-release. This is not an official release. So this means that you have compile Node successfully, so congrats to yourself. As you can see, we can use regular Node as per usual. So okay, that's it. Don't worry, you have done everything. That's good. So again, if you're new, don't worry if you don't understand something. This is a very quite complex process. So don't worry, you're gonna, maybe if you want to revisit this video, is actually okay. But the thing is, this is the first step to start hacking Node.js. And I want to mention something, and it is you have some requirements for compiling Node. The thing is, you can see them on how to install them right here on the Node.js project. So this is the Node.js repository on GitHub, and there's one file called building.empty file. And here you can see all the things that I have said on this video, but most importantly, look, you can see the tools that you need and how to install them on your Unix system. For Windows, we have also a fully dedicated section about how to build and compile Node. So I'm very persistent with this, but if you are a newbie, don't worry if you don't understand something. This is a very complex process. So don't worry, don't rush yourself, but keep that momentum. If you are here looking how to compile Node.js, try to do that. Don't frustrate because you don't get a part of this video or the documentation itself. Don't worry, it's okay. So I think that's it. I think that's all you need to compile Node.js. If you have any question or suggestion or something like that, please let me DM on Twitter or dedicate a tweet or email, whatever you feel comfortable with.
Bueno, tengo buenas noticias para la gente que habla en español, y es que si quieren este tipo de contenidos en español, porque todo está en inglés.
me avisan, ¿no? Pueden dejar un comentario, un tweet, lo que sea, y puedo hacer este contenido también en español si les resulta un poquito más cómodo o incluso funcional. Bueno, no siendo más, chao.